We are always thinking about, array, to get the job, I require to learn Java. Or to change the company, I require to learn AI. Array, I have to learn financial knowledge. Financial wisdom must be required so that I can happily create wealth. Wealth creation, I have to play. That is the most valuable than this. That thing is very important. Simple, I will straightforward, I will ask the question. Have you ever learned anything related to the technical domain from anywhere? Java, Python, .NET, or data science, AI? Have you learned anywhere? Or any subject which is required for your office requirement? Have you learned anywhere by paying some amount?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, friends.
Yes, sir.
Multiple courses, right?
Yes, sir. Multiple courses lab.
Here in Amirpet, do you know, we are seeing in a single classroom 1100,000 members we saw. Single classroom. In the online session, we are seeing hundreds of people every day. But straightforward, I'm going to ask the question, in your lifetime, for how many courses you joined for the wealth creation, how much you paid?
0. 0, sir, frankly.
Yeah, we never. But you are telling that this wealth creation is the most important, sir, than that bloody physics, Java, but we never give that much importance. I don't know. This is the most valuable, man, than that. Wealth creation tips, financial management, financial awareness, financial knowledge, financial wisdom. These are things are most important, but we never paid a single paisa also. We never joined any course to learn such type of important things.
It should be part of our academics, sir. Then only we will know.
Yeah, who is Mahesh? Correct. But why the people are not giving that much importance, I don't know. But anyway,
People will learn
we are not required to blame that.
No,
From our side.
awareness, sir.
Yeah, correct.
It's awareness is, yeah.
They should provide. But anyway.
For example, in our childhood, to create the awareness, they used to have a sessions on AIDS.
Yes.
People laughed it, but that's awareness. Similarly, compulsory. Financial awareness, they have to
compulsory.
Should be. Yeah.
If just at least from first class onwards, forget about that. At least the third standard, fourth standard, fifth standard, or sixth standard onwards. In our life, money is also very important. Compulsory savings habit must be required every day. At least 1 rupee better to save. That is a good programming practice. If you can create that awareness at school days only, then our position is not like this, I'm sure. Forget. Okay, we can't blame the governments, their syllabuses and so on. Forget about that. But at least we require to change ourselves. We require to change our kids' future. We require to change their way of thinking. The next generation should not have such a type of struggle.